Lululun over 45, clear or moist? Well, I like them both, but they do focus on different things. The purple and pink so-called clear masks targets age spots and uneven skin tones, and it's supposed to promote a brighter, more luminous complexion. It's got Persic silk tree extract, that's a standout ingredient, which combats glycation, that nasty process which can cause skin to lose plumpness. And the pink one here, the so-called moist pack, this one focuses on keeping your skin firm, elastic, and well hydrated. It's got iris root and alpinia, which are good at supporting your skin's skin barrier function. If I had to pick one, I don't know, it'd probably be the clear one for daily use. I think this one is good for dull skin, and I feel my skin is brighter with this. But when I want more moisture, I'll go for this one. Now, both are supposedly good for wrinkles, but they're not going to take away what's already there. Actually, neither of these are a quick fix for anything. In my opinion, they just make your skin feel great. I notice a difference, but I doubt anyone else does. The one drawback of these masks is the fit on the face, at least my face. I have a small mouth, though my friends would disagree, so I can live with the small opening. But overall, I don't think it's as properly fitted as other masks I've tried. It could be better for sure. But everyone's face is different, so it might be all right for you. But regardless, I do recommend these. I enjoy them.